Jerry Taft, Realtor and Personal Real Estate Corporation with Mountain Town Properties, and this is my new listing, unit number 306 at Horsethief. This is a great little studio. Let's go take a look. Alright, so here we are at the Lower Village. The Jack Pine Pub and the General Store are just right over there. And just gonna start panning around here. You can see the outdoor pool at Toby. And the People Mover gondola is right there. And this is unit number 306. So this is in the complex that was actually rebuilt after the fire. So it's a newer building than most of the Horsethief units, yet it still has that classic Horsethief layout. And compared to the Toby or compared to the Upper Village, you have your own private access in and out, and a really nice outdoor area, nice patio as you can see with the barbecue, sitting area, perfect for relaxing. You can actually hear Toby Creek in the background. Really nice spot. And the Lower Village has no rental restrictions, and you don't need to go through front desk or pay any extra fees or anything as far as room keys go. So let's go take a look. Alright, so as mentioned, this is newer than most of the Horsethief units, and it shows well, and it feels newer. It's not a 1981 build. So nice open concept with this studio, and there's a decent amount of storage as well. Pretty decent flooring here with vinyl plank. Nice open concept. This cushion has got a full bath over here. And there's a little bit more touch-up and work that's going to happen on the backsplash kind of behind the toilet there. And there's even a pantry as well. So lots of space. Got an electric fireplace in this unit. And overall, this is a very affordable way to get into Panorama, and these studio units rent really well also. This is a really affordable option to get into Panorama, and whether this is for personal use, it's viable to live in year-round full-time, or you could use this as a recreational base camp, and or you could also use this for income generation and for rentals. The studio units rent really well, and with the size and the style of the studio units, your strata fees are more reasonable, and your purchase price, of course, is lower. So check out the 3D tour, reach out to myself or your realtor for more information. Thank you very much.